Okay, so I'm cleaning my refrigerator here, and you can see the difference between having a clean refrigerator and this side is still like really dirty. And I have like many people coming in my refrigerator during the day. I mean, in and out with a big family. So one of them is a mechanic. One of them was working with a lot of dirt. I'm just moving stuff as I talk. So it can be really hard to stay on top of unless you're doing it daily. But I just take soap and water, and I'm trying to keep up with it more often. And we can see right here, you know, if you have a cleaner refrigerator, it's easier to prepare meals. It's easier to enjoy what you have, and it looks pleasant. And if you fill it with healthier stuff, you know, you just want to eat healthier. So I have a big thing of water I'm going to be putting in here. Actually, yeah. I have a couple of these stocked up. And just keeping your refrigerator clean makes, you know, life so much easier. You also have more creative ideas.